These are the lesson plans for summer school. This is from summer school 2025. These ones should be for 2026. This is my attempt to remind us exactly how we did things, and it's already ready to go for 2026 to you. So let me show you what we're doing. And it's obviously a Canva presentation. So this is the slideshow we'll use for the whole time. All right. Right here is probably where you click to see the video. So on day one, if you recall, we have two sessions. We do session one 2 times in a row, and then we do session two 2 times in a row. Okay. So on day one, session one, the first thing, and I just put this up on the screen for everybody to see and go off of this. Okay. We're going to go over expectations. You can click right here to see the link. When you're in present mode, you can just click on it and it'll bring them up. We're going to do SMART goals. You can click here. Once again, you can click here to get to SMART goals. They're going to do social contracts. Click here to see that. And finally, they're going to take a pretest by going to bit.ly/MISD pretest. Okay, so you'll notice that I just did everything in Google Forms and created a bit.ly for them. I felt like that was the easiest way to do this. I also have the daily schedule right over here on the right, so if they need to know. All right, so that's day one, session one. And then session two, day two, day one, session two, we will have kids who have already done session one. And so we will go through expectations once again, social contracts once again, and then they're going to do a video inference activity. Okay, they're going to go to bit.ly/sspartlycloudy, and they are going to watch a short video, and then they are going to answer. Let me show you what it looks like. They're going to watch this short video. We usually watch it together up on the screen. This will not let you watch it in full screen. So what I usually do is right click, say copy video URL, and then paste it up here and remove the word education after YouTube. And it'll let us watch it together up in the, okay. All right. So they're going to watch that, and then there's inferencing questions that they have to answer about it. All right. So that's our video inference, and then they're going to do a read and reflect. This is like 15 silent reading, 15 minutes of silent reading, and then they're going to answer reflection questions by going to this bit.ly, and let me show you what they look like. And there are usually just a couple, okay, about what they read that day, just so that they're reflecting on their silent reading. So that's the first day of summer school. Now, from day two on, everything should be pretty much the same. Day two, session one, we're going to do good things. We're going to do a quick write and share. Here's the bit.ly that they're going to follow. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, what we're going to do is we can go over this part with them the first day so they understand what they're doing, but they're going to be using an image like this, and we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes, and all they're doing is writing, imagination writing. That's it. And then we're going to let some of them share out. Make sure they press submit at the bottom so that they turn it in. Okay, and that's what a quick write and share is. Then they're going to do a reading passage. There's the bit.ly for them to type in. And reading passages basically look like this. Okay, there's a passage and there's questions for them to answer. There's another passage down here, and then there's questions for them to answer and submit. So that's what reading passages look like. And then they will do IXL for 10 minutes, entering this code 4J8 or a different one that we come up with, however we want to do IXL. Okay, so that's day two, session one. And day two, session two, we're going to do good things. We're going to review the passage that they did in session one with their previous teacher. Okay, if you click on here, this will open it up for you to have up there at the front, and you can read it together and then answer the questions together. That's basic idea, going over it together. Then they are going to do a video inference. Okay, once again, you saw video inferences earlier by following that bit.ly. Then they're going to do a silent reading for 15 minutes and fill out these reflection questions, and then IXL for that as well. And after that, the same thing. Day three, session one is good things, quick write and share, reading passage, and IXL. And session two is good things, review the passage they did earlier in another class, and do a video inference, a read and reflect, and IXL. And the same thing every day until day 8. On day 8, the last day of summer school, We'll be doing good things and a quick write and a post test. Okay, the post test, instead of doing the reading passage we usually do, we'll do the post test, and there's the link. And then in the session two, because we don't have a reading passage to go to this to go over this last day, they're going to do good things. They're going to do a video inference. They're going to do read and reflect like we're used to doing. They're going to do IXL, and then we have several booklets for them to try out on their own for the rest of the time. As far as grading goes, I came up with a spreadsheet that looks like this. Okay, for session rotations 1 and 2, when day 1, SG stands for SMART goals. PRE stands for pre-test, and you can come down here to the key to see what these mean. Okay, so basically, I'm just putting their names in here and check marking to make sure they are turning things in. Okay, and then the rest of these are quick write and share, reading passage every day. Okay, until the end with quick write and share and post test. Right, rotations 3 and 4, session 2 will be an SVI, stands for, I can't remember now. SVI, that's our short video inference activity. So, and then IRR is the independent reading and reflection. And we're doing that every day for session 2. Okay. So that's kind of how I kept up with grades, complete or incomplete.